Durable. Attractive. Rust-free. Atlanta, unique PVC wall and ceiling panels. Atlanta, unique PVC wall and ceiling is an innovation from Atlanta Industries that come in a wide spectrum of colors and astounding finishes that aims to revolutionize the use of traditional wall and ceiling. Atlanta Industries uses its textured color lamination technology for overall improves quality, durability, longevity, and aesthetics. Here's what our client has to say about Atlanta PVC unique wall and ceiling.
Ceiling ng Atlanta, mas maganda siya sa kahoy. Tsaka pang natagalan na rin yun. Yung kahoy kasi nabubulok.
The main building of Arroyo Springs Golf Club has stood for more than 25 years. They used wood for their ceiling. Over the years the wood rotted and was attacked by termites. Using unique PVC wall and ceiling panels, the problems in rotting, pest attacks will be solved. Aside from its durability and beauty, Atlanta unique PVC wall and ceiling is also known for its easy and fast installation.
Mas mabilis siya talagang install kasi yung PNG, yung dati kasi PNG, diba? Ang PNG, yung oras siguro, makain na ng yung PNG. Yung isang install mo, yung PVC panel, tsaka yung PNG, isang oras, ang ma-install mo, mga 10 panel sa isang oras. Yung kahoy, mga mga 5.
Installation at Arroyo Spring Golf Club. Experience beauty and durability.